This is a 2012 Mercedes GL, and a common issue with those cars is that the sunroof button breaks. It becomes lousy. So here you can see it as being loose. So I've got a new one which you can order dirt cheap from online. I mean, I bought this for like $7 Australian, and this is the new one. Now, as you can see, it has 4 pins, 2 on each side. Now, you don't have to change the whole lot. Like I said, it's less than 10 Australian dollars, which is like $5 US. And removing it is easy, but installing them, I've learned, is because it's broken anyway, so there's no problem removing it. It's the installation that becomes a little bit tricky. And why is that? It's because a lot of the times when you're installing it, you break the pins or the legs. So after basically what I did is just ordered a few until I got the hang of it, and thought I'll put a video on it to make it easy. I'll try to do that with one hand. So what worked for me is to insert it from one side. So that squarish thing goes into that squarish thing, and then you insert from one side. So the right side now is inserted, and then you push to the side that has been inserted so that you wouldn't break those legs, and voila, there. Now it's inserted. Switch on ignition and give it a test. There, works perfectly now. So that was like a $5 US fix. And while you're installing it, install from one side and push to that side, so you'll put less pressure on the side that is being installed, and then that's it. Hope that helps.